contact me. Invoice lines of credit for government contracts. You can use the instant message on the channel's Facebook page. Remember, you nor your business needs to provide credit scores or financials when you have a contract with the federal or state government. I do not charge for invoice lines of credit for government contracts. The Facebook link is in the description. Now moving on to our news for this video. The largest growth potential news coming out of Iraq during the past week is the Iraqi and Egyptian officials have discussed the possibility of extending the Basar al-Aqaba pipeline to Egypt. This would mean Iraq could easily supply more oil to northern Africa. Next, we learned the Iraqi president says early elections will go ahead despite insecurity. The links to both of these articles are in the description. Moving right along to Vietnam. I'm not sure if this is good news or not. It seems that Vietnam is headed towards a cashless society and financial inclusion. The link is in the description. On to Malaysia. The Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, concludes the Article 4 consultation with Malaysia. Malaysia's economy was strong before the pandemic, but was hit hard economically during the pandemic. Malaysia's GDP has declined by approximately 6% in 2020. Private investment was one of the major growth factors before the pandemic. Now, I want to take a moment to remind you that when you purchase exotic currencies, you can then take advantage of investment opportunities within that country using your exotic currency. You can check out the opportunities on the different countries' websites. And on to in Zimbabwe. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ, foreign exchange auction has become the major source of foreign currency for big companies, allocating 35.2 million this past week. That was this past week. The Zimbabwe president announced that the worst economic times are behind them. Zimbabwe is looking at growth within the country's manufacturing industry, and shelves once again have products. This is a good article to read, especially if you are thinking about investing in the Zimbabwe currency.